So I just had some parts printed, 3D printed by the guy I just found on Gumtree. And the thing is, yeah, it was quick. He just made the parts that I need quick, and I got it now. It's within 2 days, but technically it's around 24 hours that he made these. But yeah, they're good. I can see that the material's good. The problem now is that you see this. This is the good part, and if you try to look at the other part here, once you take this off, this is the bad part. Apparently, this is the bottom. This is what's underneath. This thing is staying in my neck. So this one's gonna be the part that's gonna be seen. So apparently, the good-looking part is underneath. It's not on top. And same with this one. Like you can see, I'll just show you. There you go. So this one's like smooth, but this part here is like bad. But the thing is, this will be the top part. No, again, this will be the top part. And yeah, look at that. So I'm gonna need to put filler on it and then sand it. It's quite, I understand why he did this, because the thing is, start printing on the flat surface like that. It's flat surface, and then he tries to grow it until he have this, because if he's gonna do it this way, it's gonna have a gap, and he needs to have something for here. But yeah, it's quite frustrating, because yeah, I would have appreciated if this is the part that he left, and he just build this part here. I think he's trying to save on the material that he's making. So he did it this way. This is the bottom, and the bottom usually looks scrappy. Look at that. Look at that. And this is gonna be facing me, facing outside, and this is what's underneath. But anyway, just a bit of filler, a bit of sanding, they should be fine. So yeah, this is my project, and where was that? Was this it? Yeah. So what I like about the 3D printing also is, look at this. It's so satisfying when you try to, I'll try to remove this. Just try to do it. Like that. I'll just remove one of this one's here. So, that's so satisfying, that one. Ooh, yeah. So yeah, let me just remove this part here. Scared to break it or something. Yeah. So yeah, this part here, this is fine because this is going to be on top, but this one here is the same as the other one. This one. So yeah, it's okay. I can work around it. Just anyway, that's it for today.